A highly trained sniffer dog named Jackson has once again proved his effectiveness, helping the Bhubaneswar Government Railway Police uncover a major ganja smuggling attempt. During a routine parcel inspection, Jackson, who serves with both the RPF and GRP units, picked up the scent of concealed narcotics and alerted officers. 2 parcels carrying seizable amounts of ganja were quickly seized and 2 suspects linked to the trafficking attempt were detained. The consignment was reportedly being moved from Bhubaneswar to Jhansi, UP, but the operation was halted thanks to Jackson's timely signal. Officials say the dog's precision prevented a significant haul of contraband from moving through the railway network. A joint team of RPF and GRP have been carrying out raids every day against narcotics peddlers and smuggling of the contraband items. The team comprised of the sniffer dog Jackson, GRP Bhubaneswar IIC Ashok Kumar Gochayat said to OTV. GRP officials praised the canine team and noted that joint RPF-GRP raids are being carried out daily to curb narcotics movement through trains.
एबे तो आमर आरपीएफ और जीआरपी रो जॉइंट ड्राइव चली प्रत्येक दिन आम ये करूँ निशा बेपारी मानू निशा पेडलर मानू निशा विरुद्ध रे एबे जॉइंट ड्राइव चली काली आम सकाळे सकाळू करूँ ड्राइव करूँ आरपीएफ जीआरपी आरपीएफ रो डॉग स्क्वाड थिला जैक्सन रो डॉग तार ना जहाँ आम 2 जन लोक डिटेन करूँ।